In this video, I'm going to tell you what you need in order to make $250,000 as an owner-operator in a dumpster roll-off business. What up, fam? Welcome to Dumpster Gentlemen here in Conyers, Georgia. And as always, one man's trash is another man's cash. So fam, one of the things you need in order to, I'm telling you, to make $250,000 in a year with one owner, operator, you're gonna need 25 dumpsters. That's the first thing I'm gonna tell you off the rip. A lot of people are gonna say, hey man, you don't need that many dumpsters. All you gotta do is, do a fast turnover. No, because you can't do a fast turnover and then you got other people needing dumpsters. You need to drop that bad boy and have another one to go. And sometimes, fam, you may get 5 rentals at one time. And if you don't have enough dumpsters, you can't supply what is the demand. So that's number one thing. Your demand's gonna be higher in order for you to get $250,000 in this year. The next thing you need is 2 trucks, 2 vehicles. Yes, you're gonna need 2 vehicles in order to make this money. Why? Because when one is down, you gotta have another one moving. Got a friend of mine doing a great job, but his truck is down. So a lot of times he refers his business to us. But if he had 2 trucks, he can make the money. When one is down, one is in shop, one in need an oil change, might need a tire, tire went flat, etc. You gotta have 2 trucks in order to make that $250,000. Next, you will need a software. You cannot make $250,000 trying to put this in a spread Excel sheet. No, you need a program. We run with Docket. It helps us with scheduling, helps us with pickup. Also, what's important when you pushing this type of volume, you need someone to help you maintain where your dumpsters are. Yeah, you need to maintain where your dumpsters are, and Docket does a great job of letting you know where your dumpsters are in your location. Now, the last thing I'm gonna tell you you're gonna need in this business in order to make $250,000 in a year, this is what you need right here. You're gonna need your dumpsters on the side of the street. See that? See these cars riding by? I tell people all the time, they ask me, well, Vic, how do you get your sales? This is how I get most of my sales. I am on a strip of a road that people drive by every day. Now, it doesn't mean that I only get business from this strip. It means that this is my consistent business that I get. This is my consistent advertising that I get that Google doesn't give me and the rest of the guys. Now, they ask me all the time, they ask me, hey Vic, what are you doing to get your leads? I just told you what I'm doing to get my leads. I am not paying for anything at this moment. And I don't think I'm gonna pay right now because I think it's a waste of money, especially where I'm at in business. I may dab into it, but right now, I think I can reach that goal of $250,000. I'm on my way. Halfway this year, I made 140. You saw that video. If not, check that video out. I put it on TikTok. So this is what you need, guys, in order to make the $250,000 in a year.